So, oh, look at the butterfly. I'm so grateful I came. Yep. So grateful. Look at my view. Look at my view. Look at my view. Ooh. It gets dark. Look at my view. I'm so glad I came, and I am so glad. Ooh, let's see, which one is called? No, it's for timber. Okay. Really nice. Guys, welcome back to the Issa Way food channel where we cook food, we review it, and sometimes we travel. Yes, I'm doing a voiceover, and indeed, I'm in Shawarma Street in Town CBD, second floor RNG Plaza. This is my first time ever solo food reviewing at the restaurant, so I was so nervous. You saw in the previous clips, I just came back from Karura, got lost, walked the wrong way. So I was tired, I was hungry. I had at some point let my hair down in the wind, so that's why I look the way I look. But let's get into this food review. So my order is shawarma and bhajia. The bhajias were, the portion first of all is really good. The bhajia were a bit soft, but a bit dry, to be honest. I enjoyed eating them. I feel like if they were a bit crispy, I prefer my bhajias crispier, it would have been better. But I would rate the bhajias a 6 out of 10. They're well seasoned, and they came with like kachumbari, tomatoes and onions on top of them. Whoever came up with that idea, that was brilliant. It actually made the bhajias way more delicious when you eat them with the tomatoes and onions that are on top of them. Yes, I was devouring this meal. Yeah, this is my first time recording in public when I'm alone, so I was so nervous, looking around, trying to be like, oh, act cool, relax. But I would say yes, I would definitely recommend the bhajias. They were really good. 6 out of 10. Yeah, this is me just enjoying them. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe. Thank you for joining, thank you for watching. Yeah, and let's try the shawarma. The shawarma was quite big. It was very, very soft. The filling was, well, like it was filled to the prima vizuri. It was smooth. It burned down the throat really nicely. The seasoning was good. It was soft, and the chicken was delicious. It was well made. I would say I'd rate the shawarma a 6.5 out of 10. I feel like I would rate it that because I prefer a bit more seasoning in my shawarma, right? That's why I'd rate it like that. I really enjoy fruit juices, so whenever I'm at restaurants, I order fruit juices. This is just a cocktail mix. Anything that has beetroot, you'll find me there. So yes, I feel I would recommend this place. If you're in the town CBD Nairobi, please go to Shawarma Street, try them, review them, tag me. I would recommend go and try them out. They're very good. The customer service was really good. It was really fast. You do have to pay before your meal comes. I haven't seen that in restaurants that look like theirs, but that's the rules. But it's no big deal, I guess. The waitress that served me was really, really nice. She was really, really kind. She was helpful. She helped me come up with the best order for me. Yeah, and the place is usually packed. Don't go on Sundays. Whoa, don't go on Sundays. There's a lot of people on Sundays. I barely got this particular place I was sitting at. I So I would say maybe weekdays, Saturdays, maybe earlier. This was around 3 p.m. So I would definitely recommend it. The food portions are really, really good. This meal I had to have half of it and then take away. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. Put it on the fire, put on the lighter. That's how you cook.